Today I'm going to show you how to set up your workspace for your Shapes poster. First, we need to create a new document. We are going to name our Shapes poster, your name, Shapes poster. We need to change our units to inches, and we need our width to be 50 inches and our height to be 50 inches. Our orientation does not necessarily matter since our artboard is going to be a square. We need one artboard. Once your screen looks like mine, you're ready to hit create. Now, we need to make sure that our artboard is set up in Essentials Classic. To do this, we can go to Window, Workspace, Essentials Classic. This will allow us to have the different tool settings up at the top of our screen. If for some reason you don't see your toolbar, you can go to Window, Toolbars, and double check that it's there. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open up our Layers panel. So we're going to go to Window, Layers. We are going to make a copy of our layer 1. So we are going to click and drag this, and then a little plus mark shows up once it's on that copy layer. And then we have layer 1 copy. This just ensures that we are not working directly on that first layer. We want to be on our layer 1 copy. Then we can go ahead and close that. Now we're ready to get started. The tools that you can use for this project are the Pen tool and the Shapes tools. So the Pen tool, you can quickly select this by selecting P on your keyboard. And then any of the Shapes tools you can use as well. So if you click and hold that on your toolbar, if you click and hold that button, you will get the rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, and the star tool. So you can use any of these to work on your project today. Remember that when you make a shape, you will be able to see the color of the shape. So this is the fill color, which fills the shape up, and this is the stroke color, which is the outline of your shape. You can notice on my shape right now, you can't really see that outline or that stroke very well. That's because mine is set to 1 point. So if I make that stroke weight more, that becomes more recognizable. To change the color, I have to have my shape selected. I use the selection tool to do this. Then I can double click on that fill color and change it to the color that I want it to be. So by using the fill color and the stroke color, the Pen tool, and the Shapes tools, you will begin to make your Shapes poster.